Hi, I'm Stephen Thorpe, senior point guard from Kobe Sawyer basketball team.
Steven, the team is approaching the midway point of the season. Can you talk about what the team has done well and what the team will look forward to doing down the stretch?
We had a few ups and downs in the beginning of the season, still understanding each other's hot spots and best position. But going towards conference play in the end of the season, we should become as one and be successful in the playoff.
Steven, you're climbing up the all-time Kobe Sawyer ranks in assists and steals. Can you explain how your teammates have helped you over the last 4 years?
I've been lucky enough to have some good shooters and athletic players on the team. I'm more of a run-in point guard, pushing transition-wise, so I have some people to run with me, so that helped me out a lot. And defense-wise, just trying to stay aggressive, look for my steals when I have them.